Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Maulang umaga dito sa UK everyone. Yan, 60% raining ang sabi sa weather forecast. Kaya medyo malakas to, hindi pwedeng walang pawan. Ayan, so yan lang muna at hindi rin pwedeng magtagal. See you later after one bus and as usual 15 minutes walk. Medyo may hangin pa. Kung nakikita nyo, ayan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, doon sa may ilaw. Malakas yung ulan eh. Okay, bye at the moment. Good morning! Good morning everyone! Ha? Kain tayo everyone! Yan tayo! Time check. 9:40. Dito ako sa Westminster everyone. Pero very busy, grabe. Very busy. Today is Wednesday. Weekend. So, yan o. The train is coming. There it is, everyone. Oh, look. It's crowded. Kain tayo, everyone. Ito yung meron dyan salmon. Ayan o, salmon. Ayan pa o, salmon. Lagyan natin ng alay ko. Hindi ko while watching Tanggol. Ngayon ko na panoorin si Tanggol kasi sa gabi nakakatuloy na. Kain tayo tapos lagyan natin itong green olives. Everyone, time check is maglalaba ako sa baba. 11:20 na po everyone. Yung labahin ko nandun nakasakay. Yun lang everyone, bye at the moment. Good afternoon everyone. 15:35 time check and 6 degrees. Medyo malamig. Parang may yelo. Parang meron kang yelo. Hawak. And everyone, payo. Talaga naman. Yun Pero, buksan natin ng konti yung leeg para medyo makahinga-hinga naman. Bye at the moment. Road pa rin dito. Everyone. Hinarangan na talaga. Kasi pwede lang silang yung mga bisikleta talaga. Yan lang everyone. See you when I see you. See you after 2 trains. Gabi na. Ay, hapon na pala. May sumingit na bato sa akin sapatos. Bye! 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 Yan, good evening everyone. Mag-dinner tayo ng Zuba Classic at may isang tasang ginger while watching YouTube everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. Kain tayo. Malamig ang panahon talaga. Late night dinner lang everyone.